In this video, you are going to see the gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 mobile. In this list, some of the games I'm playing for 1 hour. I'm not using any back case while doing this gaming testing. Right now, the battery is at 100%. I have added one SIM card and connected to Wi-Fi. The main objective of this video is to see how well the games run on this mobile phone and to check heating issues, frame drops, battery drain, etc. I checked the ambient temperature, that is room temperature, it's 29 degrees Celsius. Before starting the game, here is the temperature on the mobile's display side. It's 33.1 degrees Celsius, while on the back, it's 32.9 degrees Celsius. Also, I'll share the battery drop after every game. You can also observe the timer as well for the transparency. The first game I'm playing is Genshin Impact. I'm playing all of these games at the maximum settings possible. This game I'm playing at 60 FPS and the other settings are also maxed out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is a 3nm build processor. It's a powerful and energy efficient chipset, but we will find out whether it is really true by analyzing the battery stats and temperatures at the end of this video. I'm fast forwarding this gameplay so you won't get bored. I'll only share the results that I observed during my testing. If you want, you can slow down the video by changing the playback speed in the YouTube settings. I have already added the other videos of this mobile phone apart from the gaming test. You can watch those as well after this. I highly suggest you that check them definitely because you will get the detailed information about this mobile phone apart from gaming. For me, the main objective of testing a mobile phone is to check and share with you clearly on how capable it is in every segment. I'm testing the major segments that everyone wants in a mobile phone, like the battery, charging speeds, cameras, gaming, and mixed usage, etc. You can also see the other mobile review videos on this channel in the same manner. It takes days and sometimes weeks to create these types of videos and upload on YouTube. If you think this effort is appreciable, you can show that by liking this video and also clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to the side of it if you haven't already done it. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. For about 15 minutes I played this game. I noticed the phone getting very hot while holding it. I'll tell you whether this mobile phone has a cooling chamber inside or not while playing the next game. First, let's check the battery percentage, followed by the temperatures on the front and back. After playing this game, the battery is at 94%. Just for reference, at the start of this test, it was 100%. Now, the temperature on the display side is 43.6 degrees Celsius, while on the back it's 42.7 degrees Celsius. The next game I'm playing is Shadow Fight 4. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention there were no frame drops or lag during the entire Genshin Impact gameplay. But the temperatures were rising a lot, especially the overall frame, display and the camera area on the backside. Just for your information, I'm not using any back case. If you use a back cover, you will experience even more heating issues. So I'm going to answer the question, does this mobile comes with a cooling chamber? The answer is yes. The Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with a cooling chamber. In fact, all the S25 series models comes with a cooling chamber. This mobile phone has a 6.2-inch screen, which is smaller compared to most other smartphones these days. If you are wondering whether this screen size is good for gaming or not, for me personally it's 60% okay and 40% not, because I'm coming from using a bigger screen mobile phones to this one. Maybe that's why I'm feeling like this. If you are coming from the iPhone Pro models, not Pro Max, then you don't need to worry about this size. It's almost similar. One more thing, the bezels are very thin on this mobile phone, making it more screen to body ratio even though it's a compact phone. This display has a screen to body ratio of around 91.1%. After playing this game for about 10 minutes, the battery dropped to 92%. I checked the temperature on the display side and back side. Here is the maximum it reached in my testing. Display side 39.4 degrees Celsius, back side 38.9 degrees Celsius. If you observe from the previous game, the temperatures have decreased. That's mainly due to the graphic load of the game. Let's start the next game. The next game I'm playing is PUBG. This game also I'm playing at maximum settings. This game supports Ultra HDR on this mobile phone, so I'm using that. If you use this mobile phone for prolonged gaming sessions, you will definitely observe a lot of heating, which directly impacts performance and increases battery drain, since the processor and other components are working at full load. Even though the mobile is hot, I didn't notice any frame drops or lags during the gameplay, which surprised me. Just imagine, even though this phone has a cooling chamber, it reached this much heat. What if it didn't have one? After playing PUBG for more than 30 minutes, here are the results. Battery dropped to 82%, temperature on the display side is 39.9 degrees Celsius, temperature on the back side is 38.9 degrees Celsius. Now the 1 hour mark is also completed. The total battery drop after 1 hour of continuous usage is 18%, which is good, especially considering the high settings used during this testing. Oh, by the way, this mobile phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery capacity. So now you can decide whether this mobile suits your gaming needs or not. So what we observed after this gaming test is, number one, this mobile reaches maximum temperatures when playing heavy graphic games. Number two, even though it comes with a cooling chamber that helps in minimizing the heat, it still crossed 43 degrees Celsius during Genshin Impact. Number three, so is this the chipset truly energy efficient? The answer is yes, because a battery drain of 18% after 1 hour of mixed gaming is good, especially for this much screen. One thing to note is some heavy games drain the battery faster than others. So if you play games like Subway Surfers, Temple Run or Ludo, you will see very little battery drain and no major heating issues at all. So overall, whether the Samsung S25 is good for gaming or not, even though it is a compact mobile phone, the straight answer is yes, it is. It can handle any game without any frame drops. That's the gaming test and gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy S25. Check out the other videos of this mobile phone. The links are added in the description box or at this end screen. Thanks for watching and see you again in another video.